If you traveled back to 1984, how would you build a computer empire with just $1,000? 1977. At 12, you bypassed the auction house's exploitation, selling stamps directly through magazines to rake in a whopping $2,000. You bought your first Apple computer, immediately disassembling it to fully understand the secrets of its underlying hardware. At 16, you hacked into public record systems, precisely targeting newlyweds and new homeowners to sell newspapers, netting $18,000 in a single year. In 1983, you entered the University of Texas to study pre-med. In dorm room 2713, you keenly observed that an IBM computer, retailing for a hefty $3,000 at the time, only cost $500 in parts. You decisively dropped out, and with just $1,000, you registered and founded PCs Limited. 1984. You pioneered the unprecedented direct sales and build-to-order models. You eliminated the 25 to 45% profit margins of distributors, unleashing a price war on the entire industry. Your zero-inventory, ultra-fast supply chain management and the mind-blowing negative working capital model meant you had customers cash firmly in hand before you even paid your suppliers. You took your company public, cashing in $30 million. In 1996, you aggressively ventured into internet direct sales, with online single-day sales skyrocketing to $18 million. 1992. At only 27, you were crowned the youngest CEO in Fortune 500 history. You maintained an astonishing 80% compound annual growth rate for 8 consecutive years, followed by another 6 years of rapid 60% growth. You became the largest PC manufacturer in the United States. In the first quarter of 2001, you captured 12.8% of the global market share, officially ascending to the throne as the world's #1 computer system supplier. 2004. With the PC market shrinking, you briefly stepped down in 2004. But in 2007, you returned to the front lines, reclaiming the CEO's helm. With superhuman intuition, you splurged $24.4 billion on a leveraged buyout, crushing corporate raider Carl Icahn and seizing absolute control of a private Dell. In 2015, you shelled out a staggering $67 billion to acquire EMC and VMware, marking the largest tech merger in history. In 2024, Dell reemerged amidst the AI computing frenzy, and your personal net worth surpassed $151 billion, firmly placing you in the top 10 of the world's richest people. You are the shadow tyrant who controls the global IT infrastructure and the very lifeline of AI, Michael Dell.